Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to do rigging of this vehicle in Blender. So without wasting any time, let's start. So here you see I have already imported this model, okay? So I'm going to do rigging of this. So a question arises, how to approach this problem? So you are going to see how I'm going to approach this problem and different kind of things, okay? So let's start. So when you see the model, first thing you need to observe what thing you are going to rig. So here basically I have two suspensions, 1 and 2. Just in my case these two are as a single part. So if I rig one, the other one will automatically get rig. Okay, similarly this one. So these two are a single part. So I need to just rig one part. This is a whole a single part, and in that case if I rig this one will rig automatically as well because these two are single part. Okay, so in that way we are going to learn how to approach this problem. So let's start. First thing that we observe that we also need to rig this part. So here let's see, I have two suspension, this mechanism and this bar. So here you notice something that this is a 4-bar mechanism. I don't know how many you have learned mechanical engineering, but in mechanical engineering there is a topic called 4-bar mechanism of Grashof laws. So if possible, try to read it. It will very helpful if you are going to learn about making mechanism. Okay, it's a not more than 20-minute topic. So yeah, you can waste time on it or learn it. Okay, it's a quite simple topic, nothing high-fi fancy thing. So first thing I have to do is I have to place the armature. So where is the correct place to place the armature? So I think for suspension, the correct place is here at the hole. So select this, press tab. You can see I am at the center here. Now go to the face select mode. By pressing Alt Shift, select all the faces. Now press Shift as cursor to be selected. Now press 3 on your numpad. As you can see, I am in this position. Now press tab to exit. Go to the add armature. Now to scale it. Now press S and scale it down. You see the armature is hiding. So what you need to do is go here, bone, and go to the viewport display. Sorry, go here and click on in front. Okay, so you will basically go to object properties and then you will click on in front. As you can see, I am now able to see my armature. Just scale it down more and make sure that you name correctly. So you can see I have two suspensions. So what I can give it, so go to the bone and give it a name. So I'm going to give name lower. L means lower, suspension constrained. Okay, so this is a lower suspension constraint. Okay, because this is we are going to use this for our constraint mechanism. Okay, after that select this bone, press tab, select this, press E to extrude it. Here you notice this might not be in actually in the center of it. So how can we place exactly in the center of it? So what we can do is press tab, select this one, press tab. So by pressing Alt Shift, select these two faces. Shift as cursor to be selected. Now press 3 on your numpad. After that tab, exit mode, select this armature, press tab. Select this, Shift as selection to cursor. Okay, so we are exactly at the correct orientation. Just I have a very bad habit to make perfect things, so sorry for that. And now what you need to do is select this bone and by pressing Shift, select this one. Press Ctrl P, click on Keep Offset. Now if I go to the pause mode and select this by pressing G, you can see I can rotate it at hold. So this is what I basically want. Okay. Now here I have done one. Now I need to do another here. So go to the edit mode. Sorry, go to the object mode first. Select this, press tab. So by pressing Alt Shift select this face and by pressing Alt Shift select this face as well. Now press Shift as cursor to be selected. Press 3. Now go to the object mode. Click on add. Sorry. Select this armature. Go to the edit mode. Click on add single bone. select this bone as scale it down. Make sure it remains this along z axis. Now go here in bone, type L, that means lower, upper, constraint. Okay, so it means that it is a lower suspension, but it is on the upside, and it is used for constraint mechanism. Okay, after that, select here, press E to extrude it. Now what we need to do is press tab, select this, press tab, click on edge mode, select this face by pressing Alt Shift. This is not fully selecting, so what we can do, click on divide icon, select, go to the face mode, select this, Shift S, cursor to be selected, divide icon. Now go to the object mode, select this armature, tab, select this, Shift S, selection to cursor. Now here we have made it. Okay, now select this bone, and by pressing Shift select this, press Ctrl P, click on keep offset. So if I go to the pose mode, select this, press G, you can see I'm able to move it. This is a very important thing, because when I will do rigging, you will see how I'm going to use it. Now in pose mode, select this, go to the bone constraint, click on damp track, click on armature 001. Now click on here. Remember that this is lower suspension constraint 1. Now similarly select this, click on time track, armature 001, and it is lower upper constraint 1. So if I select this G, you can see I'm getting a very cool suspension mechanism. Now go to the edit mode. Now I need another suspension. Now one way I can do is go again and select all this. What I can do as a lazy person, I select all these bones, Shift D, G, and move it. Okay. After that, but I need to place it correctly here. So what I can do, press 3, select this. Press tab. Uh, Select this by Alt Shift, Shift S, cursor to be selected. Press 3. Now go to the object mode, select this, click on edit mode, select this, Shift S, selection to cursor, Control Z. I need that these two bones go there, so select these two, Shift S, selection to cursor. Okay. Similarly, what I can do, I need to place them correctly here. So what I can do, go here, object mode, select this, tab, Alt Shift, Shift as cursor to be selected. Go to the object mode. 3. Select these two. Go to the audit mode. Select these two bones. Shift as selection to cursor. Here you notice that these bones are not correctly oriented. If I go to the pose mode, they are oriented, but in edit mode, they are not oriented. I recommend that you try to place it correctly as possible. Okay, you don't need to high accuracy here. Okay, but if you want, you can do it. Just let do it, because I have a very bad habit of press tab, select this face, 6 face, shift as cursor to be selected. 3, select this bone, pose mode, shift as selection to cursor, press Ctrl Z. Not in the pose, but click on edit mode, select this, shift as selection to cursor. Now select this tab, divide icon on numpad, select this, or by pressing Alt Shift select all the faces, shift S, cursor to be selected. 3, divide icon again, go to object mode, select this, go here, edit mode, press 3, select this, shift S, selection to cursor. Okay, so if I go to the pose mode now, you can see they are correctly aligned and it looks quite good. Now I need to do add more things. So let's see how to approach this. Now I need a big bone here. So here I need to make a 4-bar mechanism to make sure it works. So here you see these four joints will make a 4-bar mechanism. Okay, so I need something here. So go here, go to object mode first, select this, press tab, click on divide icon. By pressing Alt Shift, select all the faces. Shift as cursor to be selected. Press 3 on your numpad. Go here, click on object and click on divide icon again on your numpad so that we can see all the parts. Click on add, sorry, select this tab. Now go in edit mode, click on add single bone and press tab. Select this tab. By pressing Alt Shift, select all these. Shift S, selection to cursor. Press Ctrl Z. I think I have done some mistake. So by pressing Alt Shift, Shift as cursor to be selected. Press 3 on your numpad. Sorry. Go to the object mode, select this tab, select this, Shift as selection to cursor, and select this tab. By pressing Alt Shift, select all the faces, Shift as cursor to be selected. Press 3 on your numpad. Now select this, press E extrude, press Shift S, selection to cursor, press E to extrude it. Okay, now this one is fine. Now I need a bone here, two bones here as well. So what I can do, press 3. First of all, select this ball and click on edge to hide it because it's quite, blocking the view. Now, first go to the object mode, select this, press tab and click on divide icon. So I'm going to place my bone here, okay? Just to know that this hole is for suspension. So I need to place here. So by pressing Alt Shift, Shift as cursor to be selected, press 3, divide icon. Select the object mode, select this armature. So go to the add single bone, press S to scale it down. And I need to place it exactly at here. So let's see how I approach this problem. Tab by pressing Alt Shift, Shift as cursor to be selected. Objects, select this bone, tab, Shift as selection to cursor. Press Ctrl Z. Okay, my selection to cursor goes there accidentally. So I guess I have not selected properly. So press tab by pressing Alt Shift, select all the faces. Shift as cursor to be selected. Now select this, Shift as selection to cursor. Now I need to click on extrude again. This is the last time, I guess. Okay, select this, Shift as cursor to be selected, Shift as selection to cursor. Now go to the pose mode, select this and select this one. By pressing Control, Shift and C, click on inverse kinematics. Okay, now go to the edit mode. Click on Alt H to see all the bones. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to do parenting. So select this bone, and by pressing Shift, select this. Now press Ctrl P. Click on Keep Offset. Similarly, press 3. Click on H to hide. By pressing Shift, select this bone. Press Alt H. By pressing Shift again, select this. Press Ctrl P. Click on Keep Offset. So if I go to pose mode now and click on this, click on R, you can see it's working quite great. and if I select this, press R, all I need to do is right now is just to combine this mesh with these uh, armatures. So let's see how to do it. Go to the object mode, click on edit, uncheck the lock object modes. Now go to the pose mode, select this, and after bypassing shift, select this bone. Now press Ctrl P, click to bone. Similarly select this and this, Ctrl P, bone. Select this and select this, Ctrl P, bone. Uh, Select this 3. Now let's do regional span. Select this and select this, Ctrl P, bone. Select this and select this, Ctrl P, bone. Select this and select this, Ctrl P, bone. Uh, Select this and select this, Ctrl P, bone. Bone. So let's see how does it look like. Rotate. You see we have a problem here. So go to edit mode, select this bone and this bone. Ctrl P, keep offset. Now go to the pose mode. Select this R, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. Select this bone. You see it is not working properly. The question is why. Okay, here's the thing. Just increase the chain length. 1, 2. You see now it's working fine. So sometimes we have issues of chain length as well. So it's quite good. Now let's do the rigging of these wheels as well, so that when we move forward they will rotate, uh, and these wheels are not independent, so I have to make it independent first. Press tab, select this, press L, select this, press L. L ही लग गए मेरे तो. Okay, press tab. Let's see how to approach this one. I need to think about it for a second because these four are a single part, so I need to make them independent, and there's a lot of other issues. So select this, press tab. Okay, this one is fine, I guess. uh, Click on divide icon, press 7, select these two views, select all these. Which one's worst is select all these, click on P, click on selection, click on divide icon again, and go this view. Now we have an independent one, so what we can do is select these 3 and delete them. Press X and delete. And what I can do is select this, Shift D, G, X. Select these two, Shift D, G, Y, press 3, uh, G, Y, G, Z. Looks fine to me. And now what I want that when this move forward, these wheels will rotate. So first thing I need to know what is the diameter of these wheels. So select this and press N. Uh, you will see it is 0.425, 0.4425. So I guess you all know the circumference criteria thing. What is circumference, etc. Because we are going to use drivers to animate it. So let's see. So if I move GY, it so let's see pi dn. So its diameter is pi dn. So pi d. So when it will go y direction. So let's try to understand. So if this move y direction 0.425, okay, this will rotate 360 degree. This is what it means. Okay, so let me show you what that means. So select this and go to constraint, transformation, target is this wheel, map from. So I'm taking its location. So when it moves y 0.425, I want that this will rotate uh, map to. So I want this will rotate. So uh, I want to rotate x-axis. So go to rotation and it getting is from y mx 360. So let's see gy. Okay, I guess okay, my bad. I selected the, sorry guys, I selected the wrong shift. I first to be selected. Okay, it's my mistake. Shift as cursor to be selected. Uh, Select this object, set origin to geometry. So select this. So you see this is not going to apply here. So cancel this. Select this here. Go to the transformation. Sorry, not armature. Select this. Map from location y 0.425. Map to its rotation y 360. So if I select this gy, it's rotating. Select this and this. Press Ctrl P, object. So gy. Okay, one more thing I have to do is select this. Click on extrapolate. So select this gy. Is rotating in wrong directions like this. Minus 360 degree. Gy. Yeah, it's now great. Select this and select this. Press Ctrl P, object. Similarly, for this, what we can do instead of doing all the hard work, what we can do, select this, click on here, not copulation, click on copulation, select this one. Okay, now what we can do, select this, and at the end, select this. Press Ctrl M. Okay, press Ctrl J, Ctrl Z. Accidentally merge them all, and that is what I basically want. There was a shortcut to apply all these at once. I'm just forget is press Control J, press Control Z. Okay, I forgot the shortcut to apply this constraint to others. So let's use copy rotation one by one. I have done in one of my videos, but I forgot it how to do it right now. Select this and rotation, select this. One more thing that you notice, if I select this, the center of origin is here and it is not correct. So select this, click on object, set origin, origin to geometry. Similarly select this and this origin is here, that is also wrong, set origin, origin to geometry. So if I select this, press GY. Okay, which one that rotates? This 3. Object, set origin, origin to geometry. Also select this and 3. Select this, press Ctrl P, object. So if I select this now, GY. Oh, I forgot to do parenting. Select this, select this, select this. Select this, press Ctrl P, object 3, GY. Ctrl P, object GY. Now here we have a problem that these bones are not moving with it. So what we can do, select this, go to the edit mode. So we need to create a one more bone. So go to the add single bone and rotate x minus 90 or press Ctrl Z, rotate x 90, scale it down, G, place it here. Now what we need to do is select these bones as I'm showing. After that select this, press Ctrl P, click on keep offset and go to the object mode. Select this and select this. Go here, click on pose mode. Sorry, select this and select this. Press Ctrl P, click on bone. So if I select this and press GY, you can see all my bones are moving, and that is basically what I want. And my wheels are also rotating. That's also a good thing. And if I try to do animation, looks great to me. What's your thoughts? Tell me. It looks fine to me. I don't see any kind of issues. For example, if I here rotate, let's just for a second hide the bone. So you see, let's try to do some animation. So let's see the bone again. So select this, press I, rotation. Let's move to 20. Select this, R. Oh, one more thing. Select, go here. Select this bone. Press I, rotation as well. So go to 30. Select this and this. So select this. Press R. Move it up. I, rotation. Select this. I, rotation. And move to 50. Press R. I, rotation. Let's check for a second how does it look like. 50, hide the armatures. It looks great to me. Let's do some more animation. Uh, let's go to the top sheet for a second. Top sheet. Press N. you see I have done animation on these two bones, so select all these bones and G and move it to 120. For the love of God, it's my head start hurting. 200. Now select this bone, bracket, click on I, location. Let's go to the 40, GY I location, GY I location. So I think our animation looks quite fine or great. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you guys really learned it, make sure that you like, subscribe and share this video to motivate us, as this will appreciate me to make more cool video tutorial like this. And thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.